Okay, welcome back everybody. Alright, we have got another Warzone Duel live play going on today. Let's take a quick look here. We are server 33 versus server 12. We are invading them and it was almost no contest, over 9 million to only 2 when it came to the weekly goals and the weekly results. So we'll see if this is any more entertaining than the last Capital War. It's officially going to start in 10 minutes. So what we're going to do now is we have been placing our bases around the capital contaminated land, trying to block out as many people as we could from server 12. Doesn't look like we're quite as effective. These alliances like LGV and a few others were already there. And now at about 10 minutes out, we are looking to move into the capital contaminated land. As you can see, we have started to move into that area. So we are going to go ahead and do a couple things. First off, let's check our defense lineup. Alright, so I've got my one squad on there. Now, it's often recommended to have another squad, just a single hero, to reduce your troop losses. I may make that change partway through, depends on how this whole thing goes. Also, you generally don't want any other squads on defense unless you know who's coming at you. So we're going to leave just the aircraft squad here, which is my main fighting squad. Sometimes I will fight with the tanks as well. The goal for aOA is to end up holding the cannon right here in the 1 o'clock position. So that is what we will do. We're also going to go ahead and set up a banner. So I've got the siege banner here. That helps with durability, which includes player spaces. So that will help us if we have to attack anybody. And then also I'm going to go ahead and give my medical aid to, we'll go ahead and give that to Feral. So if you are the engineer, you may have a medical aid skill. So we're going to go ahead and give that to him. All right, that also gives it to you as well. So we are positioned here in this case, and I'm going to now move myself into the contaminated land. So first I've got to teleport back. Notice the new teleportation grid. This is much more helpful now to pick your spot, so that's kind of nice. I am on a new phone today, so we'll see how that goes. My first real battle with it. Let's head back and position ourselves where we want to be. Drop right here. And of course we will lose our shield when we are on contaminated land. So far, it does not look like anybody from the opposing server is attacking, so this may not be a very eventful fight, but we will see. So I'm going to pause the video here, and then we'll pick back up as we get closer to the start of the war. Alright, we're back here. We are at the less than 1 minute mark, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start sending a couple squads across the map here so that I can be close to the capital for when we get started. I love how you travel fast now, but you're not going to travel fast later. $15 seconds, and then we got this ball rolling. We'll see how it goes. Alright, we're in it to win it. Game lag detected, of course. So I'm already reinforcing. You can see that my aircraft took a hit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and recall them, garrison in my tanks that were partway across. Looks like it was the first one in. Nice.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. I was built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, and we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Okay, we're at the 2-minute warning, so let's take a stock of how things turned out. We'll zoom out. We are at the end. This has basically been uncontested. Most of the attackers who were not previously located around the capital seem to have left. We've had a few people coming in and out. It's been a good swarm type attack by server 33. We have been aOA and IPH mostly holding this upper right cannon. And then as far as it goes here in the furnace, we are just 1 minute away. Attack was led by myself. We have maintained a pretty solid presence here. It's never been contested. And all in all, the rankings are looking pretty darn good. Gonna have to go kill some bases afterwards, because if I take a look at my points, I have only made about halfway. So we've got some work to do. So from here, we will take on the winner of 29 versus 31. Probably going to be 31. We'll see later today. And this is the farthest that I believe server 33 has ever made it. So awesome job. Congratulations, server 33. Thank you, server 12, for the war today. We appreciate you very much. And let's watch the last little bit of countdown here as we head to 100%. And we'll take that view, and there you have it. We have captured server 12's capital. Another great victory for server 33. Let's get us some diamonds. Alright, there we have it. Smash that like button, subscribe, and drop me a comment. We'll see you next week in the finals.